Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is Friday Night Gab, y'all, and it is so hot here. Whew. Summer came on fast. We had a lovely spring for a change. We usually don't. It usually goes, there's hissing going on. Camille, settle down. Camille has, Blue had to go to the vet all day on Wednesday, and Camille can't get past it. Usually when they come home, you know, when someone comes home from the vet, then they do hiss at them a little bit and avoid them for a little bit. But this is already, you know, a day and a half or something that he's home. Come on, get over it. I'm so hot. And I found this. I got this, I'm pretty almost positive I got this at the Dollar Tree last year. Oh, does that feel good? It feels good to have a fan, you know? I do have air conditioning and it is on, but it is so humid that, you know, getting ready to record, I just got overheated a little bit. I'm going to tell you real quick what I'm wearing. My hair's a wreck. Y'all, all right. So I have on this BH Cosmetics. This is the Blueberry Muffin Palettes. See, it's sort of hard to see all that. But this is BH Cosmetics. A while back, you know, they have beautiful stuff. I think they still have a website, but I don't think they have a lot on it. But their formula was really nice, and this is the Weekend Vibes, it says, Blueberry Muffin. I got this from Andy Does Stuff. She was, yeah, she sent that to me. Anyway, it's really beautiful. Whoops, it has a nice magnet closure that I couldn't get open, and this is what it looks like. A lot of neutrals with some blues going on. So I really like that. And then on my lips, I have my new Jason Wu. I think I got this from FABFITFUN. Did I? Whatever, I got it as an add-on. It was reasonably priced. I think I got it from FABFITFUN. It says Good Gloss Bon Brilliant is what it says on there. And then the color has some numbers and it says U-M-E. So she's really pretty, and it's a gloss. And I'm not crazy about a lot of glosses because they're sticky feeling, but this does not feel sticky at all. It just feels nice and moisturizing. So I didn't mean to lead off with that whole thing, but Blue is not feeling well. Well, it's just, you know, he's had to have some testing. So I'll let you know when I know something. I wanted to thank everybody for your prayers, positive thoughts, and all, you know, good vibes, all that kind of stuff that y'all do. I appreciate it very, very much, because we had a few people asking for prayer recently. And you know, there's a lot that need prayer, a lot that don't ask for prayer. So it's just nice to pray for each other. So thank you for that. Boy, I got a lot of stuff this week, y'all. And my hair looks crazy. These earrings and this beautiful blouse I got from Colleen. She sent this to me in friend mail. Beautiful stuff. And thank you so much, Colleen. It just phenomenal. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. I got everything this week, it seems. And some of y'all that didn't know much about Test Tube Beauty, the box that I showed, I said it was their 20th anniversary. It's their 20th anniversary, but that box was not a 20th anniversary box. It was just their quarterly box that they do. They do a quarterly box. So if they're going to do an anniversary box, I haven't seen one and I don't know about one. They do this big thing every year. I forgot what it's called, but they have a big giant box that's several $100s, but it's a big discount from its valued at several $1,000s. They've done that recently, not too long ago. They did that box, and I never get that box, but maybe they called it their 20th anniversary. At the time, I don't know, but it's something that they do annually, that box. I just can't, it's from New Beauty. I forget what it's called. Anyway, y'all. So I did pick my winners for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So I have that to announce. And then also we've got a few things going on. So the Dollar Tree train ends tomorrow. That is hosted by Miss Jackie Russell. Lots and lots of channels, and there are 20 channels. So it's ending tomorrow. Mine ends at noon Central Time, I think is what I usually say, but I have to, last minute, I have to work Saturday, tomorrow. So I won't be picking the winner for a few hours after that. So probably 2 o'clock-ish maybe. By the time because when I leave work, I usually run some errands, and then when I come home, I might start my laundry, that kind of stuff. So I don't know when I'll exactly pick my winner. So if you watch and comment, you can be in. So just saying, I don't know that somebody could watch all 20 videos, you know, tonight, but if you're getting close, you know, you might could still do it. Let's see. So next weekend is my quarterly Temu collaboration that I do. I've been doing it for a couple of years now, and different channels come in and out, and some have been with me from the beginning, and that is called the Temu Summer Vibes. So each quarter has a different name, and the summer one is Temu Summer Vibes. So look for that next Saturday. That would be the 20th. And I don't remember what time we started. 2 Eastern time, I think. 1 o'clock Central. That means it's noon Mountain Time and 11 o'clock West Coast. So in that collaboration with me this time is Reviews with Sue, Smile Until It Hurts, which is Eric and George, and they also have Pink, which is a super cute dog. She's so precious. Nona's here, which is Teddy, and sometimes Grandpa joins her. Probably will. I would assume he'll join. Trisha's House, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, and Tea Time Adventures, which is Teresa and me. So that should be a lot of fun. That is, of course, we do giveaways, and it runs for 2 weeks, and we show you Temu products. Summer, you know, I give a lot of leeway. Everybody can do what they want to. Just, you know, we try to keep our videos not too long so that you can be able to see all of them, because there's 7 of us this time. Yes, 7 of us. So it should be a lot of fun. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. I know we always have a lot of fun shopping for it and everything, you know, as we do for all of our collaborations that we do. You know, we have as creators, we have a lot of fun doing the videos and everything for you guys, and we know that you guys have a lot of fun, you know, playing and trying to win and stuff like that. So my winners for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, I had a lot of trouble with the regular comment picker. Would not work. I've been having trouble with it anyway, but then it said it wouldn't work because there were more than 100 entrants, so I'd have to pay to use it, and I don't even know how much it costs, but it didn't tell me. I went down like, all right, well, maybe I'll just have to pay for it. So I looked at that, and then it wanted you to pay for it before you knew how much it was. I mean, maybe if I went to the next step, it would have told me before I paid, but I'm like, no. So there's many comment pickers out there. At least there used to be. There's a couple that I've used in the past, and I couldn't find those. So what kept coming up were Instagram comment pickers, and it won't take a YouTube URL, which is the, you know, the video. It wouldn't take the video. So, oh my goodness, I struggled with that, y'all. I finally found one that worked, and it let me pick the 2 winners at one time, which is what I wanted to do. So that was really cool. It is, because I did it on my phone, I tried to do it on the computer, and I couldn't do it that well on the computer, so I did it on my phone. So it is, the pictures are vertical. So I did a screenshot of the video and like the title or whatever it's called, and then, you know, it says 2 winners, whatever. So I may have to cut them in half to show them. I'll put them at the end of the video, so you can see the winners. I may have to cut it in half, but it was, I'm not sure how I'll do it, because it's not gonna fit in the iMovie. It is gonna cut it up. So I'll do the best I can to show you what it looked like, and then I'll show you the winners. So I have 2 gifts, 2 boxes, and the first winner gets to choose which box they want, and the second winner will get the second box. So the winners are, the first winner is Mama Sue. Now, Mama Sue has a channel, y'all, so go check her out. I will link her in the description so you can find her if you don't know her yet. She does makeup. She does some unboxings of things. She does some collaborations with different people, you know, get ready with me kind of things. And she's a lot of fun. She also does some Bible readings. So you may enjoy her channel. If you don't know it yet, check her out. And her name is Sue, of course, Mama Sue. And she has goats. So anyway, sort of cool. She's got a little farm going on. Maybe it's not little, but you know. And so Sue will pick which box she wants. There was a lifestyle box and there was a makeup box. And there was a little bit of makeup in the lifestyle box, and I can't remember what all was in everything, but anyway. So Mama Sue will pick first, and then the second box will go to Amy Emerson. She is the winner, the second winner. So those are my winners, so please congratulate them below. And thank you all so much for being here. Thank you all so much for getting me to 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And I'm at 11,000 now. I'm excited about that. And y'all, just thank you for being here. And I like to do giveaways, y'all. I will tell you this though, here recently, postage is terrible. And it seems like it's gone up without, I work in an office where I get emails about postage. So I know when the postage goes up because every so often they send emails saying it's going to go up, you know, like shortly. And the first class stamp, you know, the stamp that we use just on an envelope doesn't always go up, but sometimes the packages go up. So I hadn't really seen one of those in a few months, I don't think, but it seems like packages are just ridiculous, the postage. So that's what keeps me from doing more giveaways, but I do try to do a lot of giveaways because I just enjoy it, and I know you guys enjoy it as well. So stick around, please, and I hope that you enjoy the giveaways. And if you will, I always forget to say this, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever you prefer. And also, if you have it available, you can give me a hype if you'd like. I always forget about the hype, y'all, so I'm bad about that. People that get hypes, it like pushes you out there more, and I think it does. They say it helps us, but there are channels that get like 100,000 hypes. Those are, you know, so they have a list of like the top 100 hypes, and the last one has hundreds of thousands, or at least 100,000 hypes, and that's a lot. I don't know that, you know, that my little channel could ever get there. So but still, they say it still helps. It, you know, it helps to push the video out. I don't know if it does or not, but anyway, I appreciate it if you do that. I appreciate you all for being here. I appreciate you for watching. I'd love it if you would comment and say something, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Like I said, last minute, I got asked to work tomorrow, so, you know, it's okay with me. I was on the schedule for later in the month, so they took me off of that day, and they swapped me, which is fine. You know, sometimes somebody gets sick, or someone, you know, at the last minute can't do something or whatever. And I think it's supposed to be a stormy weekend here, y'all. We've had a lot of rain. I put a short up this week of the flooding in my yard, and I'm at the lowest point on my block, so I get a lot of the water, even though other people still have plenty of water. But still, even with that, I'm not in any danger with the flooding. There are areas near me that have, you know, like the streets just flood, and you can't pass the streets driving, and then it gets up into houses. So I haven't heard a lot of that happening lately, because I know that they fixed some of the drainage for this one house. Used to get flooded all the time, so I think they fixed it so that they don't get flooded anymore, I think. So Smudge, are you coming up? He's right here. I wish he'd come up. And Camille, stop fussing with Blue. So y'all, thank you so much for being here. If I can get one of them up, I will, y'all. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and count your blessings, everybody. Good to see you. Bye-bye. Here's my beautiful Blue. So he's acting fairly normal. He's upset right now because she keeps growling at him. He's had some issues, so anyway, he has some blood work that hopefully we'll get back soon and know something. So Blue, say hey everybody. So he's my good boy. He's a lover. He's not a fighter. The others might fight here and there, but Blue will defend himself if he has to, but he is not a fighter. He is the kindest, sweetest. He just wants to be loved, don't you, Blue? He just wants me to constantly pet him when he's nearby. And I'm telling you something, my lips do everything. I've got fur all over me. I don't know if you can see it flying here, but it's all over us. Blue, you okay, love? You okay? He's really big. He's 14 pounds. He weighed 14 pounds at the vet. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. So y'all, take care. Bye-bye. Okay, Blue, I'll let you down.